It's so early. I haven't been up, well, actually I've been up since 2:30, but I haven't had to be up this early since the days that I worked at Robex, which has been just over a year. So I haven't been up before 9 o'clock in a very, very long time. But I'm at the airport now. I just got myself a coffee and my flight is in about an hour, and my first flight is to LaGuardia, and I have an hour and a half layover there, and then I will be flying to Miami from there. So it's gonna be a great time. So cheers to the beach. This is what flying on a budget looks like. Oh my. I am never paying for a cheap flight again. Are you kidding me right now? Take that back. This flight is pretty much empty. So I'm sitting at the front on the end and no one's next to me. Double cheers. I'm in Miami. This is very weird. I'm sitting here in an airport that's like almost deserted, waiting for my friend. She should be coming down to get her bag soon, so I'm just waiting for her. And I found a place to meet her. So this is exciting. What's up, folks? We're at our Airbnb. Maya's over there getting ready. And we're going to South Beach, right? Is that what we decided on? Yeah.
South Beach.
South Beach. And we're gonna have some fun. We don't know what we're gonna do though. We just know it's gonna be fun. So our Airbnb is kind of unexpected. I mean, I knew it was gonna be like older, but I don't know. There's not really that many cool features to show you all, but maybe. I don't know. I've never put eyelashes on before. Leaving the Airbnb now, and we're gonna go get some margaritas, and our Uber is here. So this sly dude behind me, right there, just talked us into coming here and getting $41 cocktails.
Absolutely.
But they look really good and they're huge, so I don't know. But like the cocktails look good. I don't see. I can't do mojitos, but
Okay, so should I get something else? Well, I guess it doesn't matter.
I mean, I'll well, yeah. I don't know. I kind of want to try the lollipop passion.
Really?
Melon, coconut, and pineapple.
I haven't caught a feeling this hard. I don't think I could escape it if I tried to. You put me in another world, butterflies and me got me feeling like my first day of high school. I can't even drive right now. I'm way too drunk on you. I can't even lie right now. I feel like a fool 'cause I haven't opened up for love in a while, but it feels like it's been too long.
Let me put this down really quick. I'll come right back to you.
Okay, thank you.
Good?
Go for it.
Gotcha.
It smells so good.
Go.
Thank you.
Move this one like this, and I'm gonna get something right here.
You're fine.
What happened?
It spilled on my butt. It's overflowed.
I hadn't been away in a
tastes like actual.
From a world that's burning, but one night was
We are finally going to the beach after we waited for our checks for like literally an hour.
Like an eyeball headache.
Yeah.
in the wild, but it feels like it's been too long. Oh, too long. Oh, and I've been doing nothing but thinking about how it feels to have you in my arms. Tell me, is it wrong that I've been dreaming about you? I've been dreaming about you. Yeah, I've been dreaming, dreaming. And I've been dreaming about you. Yeah, I've been dreaming about you. Yeah, I've been dreaming, dreaming.
It's so beautiful, even though it's windy and a little chilly. I mean, it's not really chilly, but it's just chilly for like these types of clothes. So I went in the ocean, Maya didn't. And so I have sand all over my feet. So does she though. So we're just gonna do a little quick rinse ski here and then we're gonna go shopping. She just about doused herself in the face. We've just been walking around for a little while now and just kind of taking in the sights of Miami and I don't know, just seeing where the day takes us. It's like 6:30 now, so I'm not really sure what else is gonna happen, but you never know. You never know. This place seems pretty legit. What do you think?
I think it's legit.
Yeah, I think it's cool. We went into a couple places and we were just like, the vibe was just like weird and like, this is like way more our age group and everything. Like the other places was like more like families or older people. And this is just like way better. It also looks like I'm wearing blue highlighter, which is really cool. I want to wear blue highlighter now. You know, you never know what could happen in Miami. It's the next morning. Maya's still inside sleeping and I'm waiting for my Uber driver to get here because I'm gonna go get some coffee. And last night I was so tired I just kind of like stopped vlogging. And I had been up since 2:30 in the morning, and I think I went to bed at like 10, so I was really lame last night. But I'm going to this cool coffee shop I found, so hopefully it'll be good, and I'll take you there. I just got my coffee. It is just regular coffee with cream. It was cute in there. I'll have to go back inside to show you. But this is the outdoor like patio area. It's a really pretty morning, so I'm just sitting here reading my Bible and taking in the scene and just enjoying this beautiful morning here in Miami. Well, this day has been interesting already. It's not even 1 o'clock, but the good news is we did get to drop our stuff off at our Airbnb.
We ended up alive after last night.
What's that?
Saying we ended up alive after last night.
Yeah, somebody tried to get into our room last night, so I don't know, dude. I'm just glad everything's good. We're walking to the beach. We're gonna get some beach towels, sunscreen, sunglasses for Maya. We're gonna have ourselves a dang good day, okay?
Sure.
Oh, and I need a water bottle too.
Despite the Airbnbs.
Yeah, the Airbnbs suck,
I think we
dude.
should go this way.
All right, let's go this way. All right, we made it back to South Beach. It's been an intense day, but we have had some really great Uber drivers, if you know what I'm saying. Everyone here is very good looking, both the men and the women. And yeah, it's quite the sight. It's so beautiful today though. The rain finally stopped, started raining for a little bit there. And now we're gonna go get some tacos and probably go to the beach after that. We gotta still get our towels and stuff though. But it's so nice out that I could just walk around all day. We picked a Cuban restaurant, of course. I need to keep my sunglasses on. It's outside and you can see yourselves. Thank you. And it's called Havana Cuban Cuisine. Un día en La Habana. A day in Havana. Ooh, they got lots of drinks and lots of food. I love Cuban food.
Pa' Cuba conmigo te irías. Que escucharte en la radio bailando, que en Miami yo estaba grabando, que para el mundo estoy trabajando. Si tienes duda, pregúntale a mi mando.
Two things. One, this song is good. And two, this is a sugar cane, which, yes, good, thank you. In Cuba, they have sugar cane fields. Like, that's what Cuba is known for. That's like how a lot of them make their money. Fun fact for you. So they garnished our drinks with these, and they're just like sweet, and you can just kind of like nibble on them a little bit, you know?
These are so cool. They put your receipts in here for your checks, and you put your card in there with it. And we only left that because they already included gratuity, but we just added extra. We really liked it here. This is my favorite place. Is it yours? We've been to so far?
Yes, they had amazing tamales.
I had a pork chop, 2 pork chops. They were so good. Not as good as where I work though, but good enough.
Yeah,
Yeah,
nothing
very
beats
good.
Fruities.
Nothing beats Fruities. That's so true.
You hate to say it.
I mean, I'm in like basically another country, and I'm still saying my restaurant where I work has the best food in the world.
But we're not lying.
No, we're not lying at all. It's not
not
even like a
lying.
bias thing, because I wouldn't say that if it wasn't true. It's so good. Fruity and Lori, greetings from Miami.